Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are continuing to talk about moving your kid to college. So another one of the essentials is that these storage bags are definitely an essential for moving your kids into college. So you can move them in with boxes, but then you gotta fold them down, take them out, they're bulky. These are things that they fold all the way down, they get completely flat like this, so they can store them under their bed or any closet. They can bring things home with them, but it's a really great essential for moving things in because it's got nice handles on it, so you can pack them completely full. They're kind of longer rectangles. They're perfect for putting like multiple things of clothes in it in sets of 3. They're $5 a piece. They're really kind of a really nice have to have when you're moving your kid into college or just when they're moving things around. So taking the summer clothes home for the winter, taking the winter clothes there, and that sort of thing. It's just a really easy way to move things around for your kid going to college. So these things are on Amazon. They're sold out sometimes, they're not. You have to kind of keep your eye out for them. You know, we bought a 6-pack of them for $40. We'll put a link in the description below to where we got ours. Okay, and these aren't throwaway things. These are reusable things. I like that it actually unzips like an L shape. So this side doesn't unzip, it unzips this much so you can actually see, put all your towels in there, all your things in there. And it's made of almost like a waterproof material. I wouldn't go as far as to say it's fully waterproof, but if you're carrying things in snow or rain or something like that, and again, they're not throwaway. These are things that you're gonna use for like 4 years, and you can get away with using them a lot. And it just has one little zipper to it. It's really kind of nice to kind of load up your stuff. So you have that. Okay, so not only does it have handles like this, right? But if you pack the bag full, it actually has backpack straps that are on the bottom. So you have them right there. So if you have everything kind of packed in there, it allows you to kind of just throw it on your back. Now, it's not going to be comfortable for, like, you're not going to take this hiking for long distances and things like that. But if you're taking home dirty laundry and you stuff it in there, it's nice that you can just chuck it on your back if you have other things you want to carry, things like that, right? So it has that as well. And basically this holds up, they say it holds up to 23 gallons. You know, what the heck is that? I mean, it basically holds 3 different things of clothes, or if you have towels, you know, you can have towels, your washcloths, and your, you know, face towels and things like that. So basically it has about that much space to it. And again, for $5 you can't really go wrong. I think boxes are $4 or $5 now, and then they get damaged, you have to throw them away, they're bulky, all of that stuff. This, super nice, super easy. And then you can actually do things too. If you want to put a little label in there, it's got a little open sleeve there. You can put it like, hey, this is my winter clothes or something like that. So you can get everything prepped for going to college. That's it. Subscribe to our channel. If we're helping you with your moving with your kids going to, you know, college or whatever, or just making it easier for you, super thanks is always welcome. Love to grab a cup of coffee. So thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll send you some more ideas as well.